In this video, we will talk about how to fix error code 0x8007003B. Something went wrong on Microsoft Store / Xbox app on Windows 11. Method 1. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Run. Type wsreset.exe and press Enter. Wait until Microsoft Store will reopen automatically. Method 2. Repair or reset. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. On the left side, click on System. Scroll down, click on System Components. In Microsoft Store, click on 3 dots. Select Advanced Options. Scroll it down. In Reset option, click on Repair first. If it doesn't fix, click on Reset. Repeat the same steps for Xbox app. Simply click on Apps. Then Installed Apps. Search for Xbox. Click on 3 dots and do the same. Method 3. Re-register Microsoft Store. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Terminal as admin. Click on Yes. Copy-paste the command given in the description and press Enter. After it completes, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Method 4. Reset Windows Update and Store Components. Click in Search. Type Notepad. Select Open. Copy-paste the command script given in the description. Click on File. Select Save As. Add the file name. Make sure to add .bat at the end of the file name. Then click on Save. Once your .bat file is ready, right-click and select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Now click on Windows icon and restart your PC. So that's how you can fix error code 0x8007003B. Something went wrong on Microsoft Store / Xbox app on Windows 11. See you in the next video.